Welcome to Risk of Rain 2. So let me
Howdy.
invite my good pal Hayden.
Your voiced boy.
Let's do a private game. We'll do medium difficulty.
Sure.
We're fine. Are you joining?
Yes, I am. Now.
So we haven't played much of this game. We played it for one session,
Not to figure out what we're doing.
just to kind of figure out how it works. And from what we've gathered, what it is it's a game where you go through different worlds and portals in a series of like waves of enemies and then a boss. And it gets much and much harder as time goes on. Alright, I'm readied up.
What's my little archer dude? I didn't
Yeah.
play him on my own. The one that's trying with you when I was playing a little bit by myself a few minutes ago.
Oh, you did play him or you didn't play him?
I didn't.
Let's hop out of this shit. Alright.
Teleport dash.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
Press R.
Oh, yeah, for your special. Wow, that's powerful.
How do you... It doesn't let you use your mouse clicks very often.
Well, you can only do it if you have a target.
Oh, I see.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm
crap.
digging this character. Dude, the fucking left click is insane. Or not the left click, the right click.
Oh, it follows.
Yeah, as long as you're in the circle, it tracks them.
Yeah.
Alright, so he just got an upgrade. And what did you get? Which one did you get? A little
I
health
got
regen?
Cautious Slug, rapidly heal something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The slug one's pretty cool. My favorite is probably that ukulele that you can get. That, like, outputs a shit ton of damage.
Yeah.
For a glaive at this fool. Whoa, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Right click is cool. It like bounces off of you.
I'm very much digging the hunter. Alright, got a healing drone on us. So there's a bunch of tactical equipment throughout the levels too, like turrets, healing drones, some other stuff we won't spoil. We'll just let you guys see it. Alright. There's another healing drone up here, 55. Whoa, shit. Alright, big guy.
I think I see something over here for 55.
Big guy on me. That sucked. And come on, die, you little fucking idiot. Alright. I got a decent amount of money, so I'm going to find another upgrade.
Got a
Or find
healing
an
drone.
upgrade. Because I don't even have a basic one.
There's nothing down here. I think it's just some kind of drone. I'm gonna grab it.
Alright, I just need to find a
or
capsule.
gunner drone.
Ooh, a gunner drone. Those are cool.
Oh, that disc, the right mouse click, it
Yeah.
bounces off like the
Ricochets
same
off-
enemies, like it
Yeah.
multiple times.
Alright, what the fuck? Goat's hoof? Move faster? Alright, oh shit, Golem on me.
Yeah. They're not that strong. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get time anyway before it's dead. I'm gonna look for the teleporter. It's just find and activate the teleporter.
Yeah, so your objective every single game is to find the warp out of here, the teleporter.
There's some stuff over here if you wanna get an ability.
Yeah, I need upgrades.
Shrine of Chance. Offer to the Shrine of Chance.
Yeah, remember that's the one where you like put money in and you might get something out of it.
Yeah.
Slow enemies on hit. Arrow storm this guy. The other character is definitely more powerful, but this one's definitely my favorite out of the two.
Yeah, no, I think this one takes a little more. Well, you gotta think he has basically has a aimbot, so
Yeah,
hit all
damage
your
is a little bit
shots.
slow. What the fuck is this? That's what I'm curious about. How do you get up here? Pray to the Shrine of Combat.
yeah, I
Oh.
think I did that while I was playing on my own. Some stone golem. Oh yeah, you can summon your own. Not your own. You can summon more enemies.
Oh, that's cool. Getting another upgrade. What's this? Oh, killing enemies sets nearby on fire. That's pretty sweet.
I got the same thing just now.
I am very steadily handling these enemies.
Yeah, it's nice.
I do want to get out of here soon, though.
Just go and find it.
Oh, the other thing that we forgot to mention is that as you stay in an area, it gets harder and harder, and that difficulty transfers
That's just
over.
in general too.
Yeah.
Teleport over here. I'm gonna go ahead and spawn it.
Alright, and every time you spawn the teleporter, you fight a boss. Stone Titan. Alright.
I am so high in the air.
He's gonna shoot at me.
We're
Ow.
already doing decent damage.
Arrow Storm. He has 2 debuffs on him already. Oh, this guy's going down.
Guys behind you.
Thank you. Oh my god, that hurts really bad. Gone.
We both use our arrows.
Yeah. Alright, and then you get an upgrade. Yes, I got the ukulele.
Oh. Me too.
I forget what the ukulele does exactly, but I'm pretty sure it transfers damage through multiple people or something.
Maybe.
The best
It
one,
says,
I think the best upgrade actually is the knives, the phantom knives. Those are sick. Alright, portal's almost ready.
I'm burning.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here.
Good.
Alright, next location. Desert.
Abandoned aqueduct.
Oh, this place has so many upgrades. I remember this place. It also teleports you to random locations.
Like on the map.
I think on the map and also just in general, I'm pretty sure you don't teleport always to the same locations in a row.
I mean, we've gotten this place every time.
Do we always get desert second?
Yeah.
Oh, then never mind. I thought that sometimes we got it third, but no.
No, I don't think so.
Ooh, the feather? Hell yes. Oh, I don't have the money for it.
I'm gonna go the other direction, see if I can get some of my own stuff.
Shot up from behind.
I really like the angle on this game too, the FOV.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can increase it.
Alright, I am definitely going to be getting one of these double jump feathers. Oh shit. Mini boss on me.
I'm dead.
Oh, damn. I like that it says Imagine Wagons is DED. You're dead.
You get 2 feathers?
Alright.
Did you get 1 feather or 2?
I got one.
Okay.
So where do
Are
you...
you able to res me?
I don't...
I forget.
I don't think so. No, I think you're dead until the next round, actually.
Okay.
That might be the end of this run. We'll be doing a lot of these guys. It's a grinding game. It's a game where you just hop on, you output a bunch of shit. Ooh, rechargeable shield? Now that's nifty. Yeah, no, I can't bring you back. Oh god. Alright, well I'm just gonna go find the teleporter.
You don't even have to technically beat the boss, you just have to survive the timer.
True. But that's also some pussy shit. I'm not gonna do that.
I mean, I guess.
I might do that. In retrospect.
You have your storm arrow again. Yeah, there you go.
One spawn behind
you.
me. Double jump luckily just keeps you off the ground for long enough to dodge that shit. Oh, that was nice. Alright, I'm going to dip, potato chip. Okay, where could this teleporter be? I have a feeling it's over here.
What is that, is that a tree over there?
Yeah, there's some trees. Oh, this is
That
the
right
life
there.
cutter.
Oh, god. You just gain gold.
Get another upgrade. Sweet.
Extra damage. 2 bosses. Oh, you got the banner. So every time you level up.
Yeah. Whew.
There it is.
Aha. Oh, laggy from how much damage I'm getting. Oh my god.
Throw right click.
Damn.
Down.
Alright. Well, that was our first little run. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.